My name is Matthew. This is Riverponics. Something I developed, have 2 patents on. This system can utilize a lot of different growing methods all in one grow system. You can grow hydroponically, you can grow with soilless medium, and you can use soil, you can use drippers. It's all a closed loop system. There's so many different ways you can utilize this grow system. It's really awesome. And you can grow just with rock wool cubes like that. You can start plants and clones and seeds that way right in your grow channel. These grow channels have removable lids. You can cut the lids at intervals to be real creative. This is my soilless mix here. It's self-watering. These are cow horns growing. Cow horns, we got the light shining, the sun's out, so it's midday. Banana peppers growing soilless. Got some nice bell peppers in here growing soilless. Habaneros, those are what are those called? Those are Jalafugo. Something's like a hybrid jalapeno, I guess. So yeah, everything's doing really good. These bigger containers, I got soil going on. You can see the big bell pepper down there growing. There's a bunch of them in there. More bell peppers in the soil. And you can see I'm using pretty big containers. There's a lot of weight with that soil saturation. And these grow channels can support that weight. So it makes it real nice. And you don't have to hand water this stuff. It does it itself. I'm going to reveal a couple secrets that I'm doing, and I'm keeping it really basic, okay? And you can get as eccentric as you want with my patented brewer and all that. I'll get to that in a minute, but I've got a lot of fruit coming in. I got some really nice jalapenos. Let's see if I can't get a better shot. You can see up here, there's all my cucumbers hanging. There's a big daddy over there. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. No, there's more. Got some up there. There's probably about 24 cucumbers on this plant, or more actually than that, growing. They're just all over. I had to treat this with baking soda and food grade peroxide and water because I got powdery mildew from this squash plant. And I just put a second spray application on here, and you can see that it's come around big time. I'm not seeing the powdery mildew as much. I did have to spray the top portion of my cucumber plant. I seen it was migrating up there, so I just sprayed that. So we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, look at all those jalapenos. That's just one plant there, and I just picked a bunch of them off here yesterday, as a matter of fact. Look at all of them. Another plant. Another better shot of. Look at all those. They're just buried in there. And then I got these really over 9-foot tall tomato plants going on, man, and they're just now starting to come in and ripen up. I'm going to keep this video short, but you can do stuff like this. We can grow out of the side of your container. This is kale growing, and just use net cups. This is kind of like an air printing, self-made air printing container, and you can grow plants out of the side. All right, so this is just lettuce going crazy. I need to pull that, but a lot of flexibility with this grow system, people. You don't know what you're missing if you don't own one. This system is a lot of fun. Actually, it really is. And I just got a ton of tomatoes coming in here. I mean, they're all over. A bunch of them, they're coming in down there. I mean, they're just, look at this mama, look at that guy. All of them up there, a whole bundle in there. Different variety here. I mean, look at all those. They're just all over up in here. And they're just now starting to ripen up. Yeah, big tomato plant, man, huge. And tell you a secret I did. Hopefully you can get a perspective of this, but I just put up my 4th cage. So that's over 12 foot tall there. So I imagine hopefully by the end of this month it'll be up at the top of that cage. I'm hoping that would be really cool. I'm impressed. If it don't grow anymore, I'd be happy with the results I got thus far. You know, I'm not gonna complain. Look at those tomatoes in there though, man. Another one ripening up. Pretty. But, yeah. And this thing is, they're massive. They're like trees. But I found this bone in my backyard, and it was one of them Nephilim Anunnaki bones, and I decided to soak it in some kerosene and extract the DNA from it, and then I put my tomato seeds in there, and this is what I got, guys. Got me some Anunnaki Nephilim giant tomatoes. What do you think of brewer over there? That's what does all the magic. It's about 55 gallons of water running through my whole system at all times. It's self-watering, takes care of itself. I add nutrients to my brewer once a week, so I could get real intrinsic and all that. And I know there's people out there that's a lot smarter than me that could do a hell of a lot better job on nutrient uptake and all that crap. But I'm going to show you what I do, and I add this once every 7 days, and it's just a tomato fertilizer. It's a 41838. I add calcium nitrate and some Epsom salt, and that all goes in my brewer I just showed you. And I probably don't even use as much as I need, you know, as much as it calls for. But everything's, you just seen the results there, so it speaks for itself. Yeah, so it's pretty impressive. There again, you can make tea tinctures, you can do all kinds of stuff with my patented brewer, so it gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility, you know. And here I got tomatoes coming in, got the whole 9 yards, guys. So man, don't be bashful to get a hold of me if you have questions and all that. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Here's my logo, Riverponics.com. Check me out, man. Been hard at 6 years at this, so you know, put a lot of time and effort, a lot of trial and error, work out all the bugs, and I think you guys will really like this system. All right, thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.